Hello and welcome to episode number 3 of our PeterBrotherhood mega build. And today is a special day also because it is Dylan's 8th birthday. So we talked the other day about how we could make some machines to go in the factory, and I've come up with an idea for a reciprocating compressor that I think we can make work. Now, there's been a lot of work done, as you can see, since the last video. I planted some trees that are meant to be little trees, but they seem to have gone a little bit out of control. The car park is now marked out, it just needs filling, which is quite a big job. A lot of the offices have been built up now, just the insides and a few of the roofs and walls that have got to be done. We'll head up the stairs again onto the balcony. It's changed slightly in here as well. So we'll just head along here. This will all be offices. There'll be a fence along here as well, as you can look down into the street as we go by. Meeting room 1 and 2 on the left there, and then we have now got the viewing gallery to look over the factory. And over there in the lit up area, that is where we are going to try now and build the compressor. I have an idea on my head how it should work, but hopefully when we actually go to build it, it will work. And a lot of it is going to be on the shop floor itself, but then we're going to have to dig underground and put a lot of the redstone and I think the minecart tracks that we're going to need to make it work. So we'll just dig a bit out of the floor. This is where the redstone is going to come up through the floor, hopefully sending a signal to the pistons, and hopefully we'll have a kind of working compressor by the end of this video. Just trying to think what colours we're going to make it out of. We're going to be using sticky pistons, which, as they sound, you can stick blocks to them, so whenever they open and close, the block pushes back and forward with it. I think that's everything we need to start with. So we'll just lay a bit of a base down, what the compressor will sit on. Roughly the right colour red as the bases we use when we test them in the shop itself anyway. Just got to think what I'm doing here. Yeah, that's the bases, and then we'll put the main part of the compressor itself on. Our real ones use crankshafts and things like that that we can't actually do on Minecraft, so sort of improvising, but you'll get the gist of how it works. We'll just put a trail of redstone down, then a piston. We use iron blocks, and then set the piston on top of them. Just trying to think what sort of shape we can use. I think that will do. Get rid of them. Yeah, I think that'll work. And we'll take them middle blocks out now. No, why did I do that? Because now I've got to put some on top. Right, that's the first cylinder done. And then just need now to place the piston inside, which I just realised I've got to do from the other end. There's the first sticky piston placed. I'll just put a red wall block in there for now, just to see how it works. We'll do it this way this time, it'll be simpler. Just put the last of the cylinders down, placeable block, and go underground. And the redstone can't travel directly up walls or anything, so we need to make a sort of staircase starting here and heading downwards. Take out that one and that one. You're just going to have to bear with me a minute because, like I said, it's an idea in my head and now it's working out exactly where it's going to go. Need to go around the corner and back down. Yeah, if we go there and then straight down, that's it. That's the one. That's what. And then we come onto the underground. Luckily there's plenty of underground space, as I had to blow up the floor to actually level the world, so I could put the floor in without having to dig it all out. I just blew it up. So now we'll send the trail of redstone down the steps, and hopefully we can test this in a minute. If I get a redstone torch and place it at the bottom, we can see if the pistons have worked. So redstone signal will only travel so far, so I think I will need a repeater at the bottom there. Yeah, the pistons have activated. Just check the other one should have worked. Yeah. Okay, so it's working so far. The pistons have worked. So now I need to build up all the land inside here so I can put the minecart tracks on, and the minecart tracks will have power rails, detector rails, standard rails for the corners, and it should be about it. It should be quite simple. Bit of redstone to make it all work. I think we'll put 2 detector rails in, so hopefully the pistons will go in and out a bit faster than just using one. Just fill this in. I didn't realise how big some of the underground here was. I think hopefully when the factory's finished there'll be quite a lot of things like this underground, making things work, doors open, if I can work out how to do it. Not very good at the redstone. Just do here. Right, detector rails. That's it. That should be all the rails we need. Got the redstone torches ready. Should be right. I think I've got everything now. Don't think that's quite right. I need to come one more this way. That's it. So I need to get the redstone around the side. That's it. And then put the power rails down. Standard rails that do the corners. Detector rail just here opposite that one, I believe. Yeah, that's right. That should work. And then I'll have to build another bit of land this side. Yeah, I'll need another bit of land this side for the redstone to go back round to the other side. And then inside the rails themselves in a minute there will be redstone torches that should power all the power rails. One. That's it. I'll just connect that back up, and then we want a redstone torch in here that should get all them rails on one end, and that should be all the track powered. And then it's just a redstone trail needed to go right round to back to the start. there, that's it. So that's it, yep. Now there's these gas compressors. We have many of these installed around the world in a lot of countries, a lot of different countries. They don't go off wrong that often either. Yeah, alright, this should work, I'm happy with that. Hopefully. Just go back up now and just try and fill in, I think, some of these spaces. Just finish the whole thing off, and then we'll put a minecart on and we will see if what I had in my head has worked. Just fill in this so it looks a bit more like the test spaces we use. And hopefully this will be the first machine we have running in our factory. One of hopefully many. I think I might struggle with a working steam turbine, as there's no rotating parts in Minecraft. But at least I can try and make something look like one. In fact, one of our videos, me and Dylan might have a competition and see who can come up with the best design for a steam turbine on here. But he will most likely do a better design than me. Just trying to think what shape to make this now to look actually like a compressor. It won't be 100% perfect, but it's as close as I'm going to get. I am happy with the way it's looking at the moment. That's right, I think I need to take this corner out there. Yes, that's right. I think before the next video I will hopefully get the back wall over there put on, and the stores end of the wall and doors in as well. So we'll just finish off these little bits here. Let's have a quick look, everything's still right. Yes, I haven't blocked anything off doing that. Don't think it looks too bad. Now, let's see if it works. See if we have a working reciprocating gas compressor. If there's anything else anyone watching can think of we need to put in the factory, if you could let me know, comment below, or let me know somehow, and we'll see what we can do. So that should be turning the signal on and off as it goes over the detector rails as it goes round, which should leave, can't get rid of the hole, that's better. It should leave the pistons reciprocating. There we go, we do have, hopefully if we go this side, a fully working reciprocating gas compressor. Yeah, I'm happy with that, that's going well. Wow, something in my head worked. So hopefully we will come back to this video, and like all PeterBrotherhood reciprocating gas compressors, it will still be working. So thank you very much for watching. We'll end this video now. Please subscribe to our channel. Any comments or anything you'd like us to put in videos, please put the comments below, and we will see you all again soon. Goodbye.